Hello, good morning, and welcome back to the Drummond channel. It's Monday, June 5th, and we're going to start out with crude oil and then take a look at silver. So starting with this chart in the middle, we had this bar was the congestion entrance for the crude oil, and then that looks like it closed down below the PL dot, so that's congestion down, and now we're up here and we're flirting with the weekly envelope high and the monthly PL dot. So the question is this area going to hold, and are we going to see the market cycle back down towards the weekly envelope bottom, or perhaps down to monthly and quarterly support down here? So looking at the higher time period monthly chart, once again, I just want to show that there's a quarterly PL dot way up here, a monthly envelope top, and this white shaded area is the monthly nearby resistance. So there's a lot to plow through to get up here to a quarterly PL dot refresh, and we'll get that information. We'll see how that's happening on the lower time period. Now looking at the chart on the right, the daily chart, what we see that this market gapped up huge on Sunday night, and there was some talk about OPEC cutting production, I guess, so perhaps this is why we're seeing such a big jump. And it's right up here in this territory that we marked out last week that would be resistance, and that's the monthly PL dot and the weekly envelope top. And depending on how this bar forms and resolves itself for today, if we close up on top of this resistance area, now it becomes support, and we're likely to see this market push a little bit higher. If this stays and holds on close, then I think we're looking for a move back down towards the daily and weekly PL dot, and then maybe perhaps down here lower. But I want to wait for this market to close today and see how this daily bar reacts to the higher time period resistance. As for silver, this is the monthly chart. There's not a whole lot to say. I expected prices to be going lower, and that's what they're doing. That is the quarterly envelope top. That's the yearly PL dot. That's the monthly PL dot. That's a lot of energy pushing this market down. And looking at the daily chart here on the right, we're starting probably see this area as the projected low for the day, and go from there. It is true, looking on this weekly chart in the middle here, I draw a line between these two PL dots, and we can see that this PL dot for this week is now pulled up off the main channel line. So that is an indication that the weekly trend is slowing. However, we got up here to a weekly PL dot refresh, and then the market closed down below the PL dot, and now we're pushing down below this PL dot. So this might be renewing energy, or it may be flagging energy. And the way we're going to figure that out is how this daily chart starts to react to this area. So for right now, the trend is down, expecting the weekly envelope bottom is the first target for the week, or monthly envelope bottom, and then get way down here to a quarterly PL dot. So first things first, though, I'm going to keep a focus on this daily and see how things start to play out in this area. That's it for this morning. Thank you for subscribing and liking and sharing our videos. If you have any questions, please let me know, and we'll see you again next time.